Quikrete Blacktop Repair seals out water by permanently bonding to surrounding asphalt and creating a continuous, impermeable surface as it cures. Quikrete Blacktop Repair uses an advanced polymer-modified asphalt formula that flows into voids and adheres to the edges of existing pavement, so you should start by cleaning loose debris and drying the repair area for best adhesion. For compact potholes, remove water and loose material with a wire brush or shop vacuum, then tamp the product firmly using a flat tool or a piece of wood to eliminate air gaps and ensure full contact with the surrounding material. Apply in layers for deep repairs, compacting each layer until the surface is slightly proud of the surrounding pavement, because settling will occur. Work temperature matters, so use the product when ambient and surface temperatures are within the manufacturer recommended range, typically above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and avoid using the material in heavy rain or when frost is present. For feathered edges, taper the old asphalt with a chisel or rake to prevent a sharp lip that could cause future delamination. Then pack the repair tightly to create a seamless transition. After placement, allow the repair to cure undisturbed for the recommended time and avoid heavy loads until the material has fully set to realize its full water sealing performance. Common mistakes include leaving the repair area wet or contaminated, which prevents bonding, and can be fixed by thoroughly drying and cleaning the cavity before applying the material. Another frequent issue is insufficient compaction that leaves voids where water can infiltrate later, so press and tamp the material firmly in layers to create a dense, bonded mass. Finally, making feathered edges too thin can cause the patch to chip at the perimeter, which you avoid by tapering surrounding asphalt and building the repair slightly above grade so it compacts level with traffic. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement topics including driveway and pothole repair, and our site helps homeowners find local contractors and helps contractors find work. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share tips, experiences, and product recommendations related to water resistance and pavement repair.